Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the device and remove power cords so nothing powers the jack. Next, feel for the RJ45 clip and press the plastic tab. This releases the latch. Hold it down. If the clip is damaged, insert a thin flat tool under the tab to lift it, not pry the cable. You do this to free the locking mechanism. Once the latch clears, pull the connector straight back, keeping tension aligned with the port. Once the latch is depressed or lifted, position yourself with good light so you can see inside the port. Grip the plug body, not the cable jacket. You want the connector's molded housing. Wiggle the plug gently while pulling straight back. Small side-to-side motions help break any snag. If the clip is inside the port, use needle nose pliers on the plug body and pull. Make sure to avoid bending pins. Keep movement steady to prevent internal damage. After extraction, inspect the plug and the jack. Look for bent pins, torn plastic, or debris. This tells you if repair or replacement is needed. If it still won't budge, power down and when feasible, open the device or faceplate to access the rear of the jack. Removing screws can free trapped clips. Once removed, test with a known good cable and verify link lights. Troubleshooting tip: if pins are bent, stop and replace the jack. Forcing it can ruin the port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.